Do you want to become a certified web developer? Are you a student and want to get a job as a web developer? Or do you want to be a freelancer to earn an extra part-time income? Or you want to improve your web development skills at work? If these are your goals, then this course is exactly made for you to become PHP full stack web developer in just 30 days. Let me ask you this. How many blogs, free YouTube videos, tutorial sites you have visited and tried to learn web development skills by yourself? How much time you have spent collecting this information from various sources and still feel it is not enough? After all that research and study, do you still feel you are incomplete and need to learn more? Let me guess. You're here, so you're probably looking for something more that can teach you everything on how to become a full stack web developer. Keeping the same struggle in mind, I made this complete course to help you learn how to build a website and how to become from zero to expert in PHP full stack web developer without much effort. This course teaches you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, WordPress, PHP object-oriented programming, XML, JSON, API and many more concepts. This course is packed with 48 hours of extraordinary contents with exercises, quiz, assignments and projects. This will help you to master the web development skills. If you give your valuable time to this course, and I'll promise I'll help you achieve your goal. Right after this course, you will be able to build websites. You can get a job as a junior web developer. You can start your own business with WordPress. You can become a freelancer web developer on Fiverr or Upwork. You will be proficient with databases and server-side languages with PHP and MySQL. You can become a front-end or a back-end web developer. In less than 30 days, you will be ready for an entry-level job as a full-stack web developer. Let me show you what skills you will learn in this course. At the front-end web development, you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. From a back-end web development perspective, you will learn PHP, MySQL, WordPress and PHP OOPS. You'll also cover some basics like Web Basics, Introduction to XML, complete understanding of JSON and Introduction to REST and API. From soft skill perspective, you will have access to the interview questions. You'll also have a sample PHP resume which you can use to build your own PHP resume. We also provide student mentorship where you can connect with us and will help you achieve your goal. In terms of project, you will learn how to build a complete shopping cart website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and MySQL. And this website is called as phpcart.com, which you can go and visit it now. And also you will learn how to build a blogging website with WordPress. We'll show you how to buy a domain, how to host the web hosting, how to install themes. And this website is called as learnwp.xyz. From a certification point of view, we will give you a PHP full stack developer certification right after you complete this course. And apart from that, there is tons of valuable resources we have put in this course. Well, first thing, you will become a full stack web developer with a 48 hours of course content. Then you will become a certified PHP full stack web developer. We'll also give you a complete source code and projects, including this shopping cart software and also a blogging software. We'll also provide student mentorship via our private Facebook group, which you can join only via invite. We'll also give you PHP project downloads, which you can go ahead and download and use it for your learning purposes. We'll also give you access to resumes and interview questions. Then apart from that, we also give you 1 month documentation site access, which is a paid site but will give you for free once you get this course. This course comes with 30 days money back policy. If you don't like the course, it's completely refunded. So this is the value you're gonna get once you take this course. Let me show you how this course has helped other students to achieve their goal. And here are some of the feedback that we got from the students.
I am currently studying computer science and was interested in learning web development. One of my friends has suggested me about this PHP bootcamp training, which has brought lots of benefits to him. I took the course and it is mind-blowing content. I can definitely say this course has really helped me in building up career in web development.
I was trying to learn web development myself and applying for jobs, but all my efforts were wasted as I could not understand all these concepts and could not pass the job interviews. PHP bootcamp training has really changed my life, and with the help of this bootcamp training program, now I have a job, money and freedom to do whatever I like in my life.
If you're really serious to learn web development and looking for the right course, then this is the best course that can help you achieve your goal. Believe me, you are just one course away from becoming a brilliant web developer. Next, let me show you how this course is organized. Alright, see you in the course.